For one, right?
Yeah. Okay, which one do you want to try first? The blueberry looks good.
Okay. Do it.
Wow, it's so soft.
Cheers. Oh my god.
It really does taste like mochi.
I was wondering where they put it. Where's your camera?
It's too bright.
Alright. Now I know what it tastes like. The other way had the yellow one, I wanted like lemon.
How do they do it? This kind of tastes like a crumbly dough, right? On the outside, it's not even bready. I like Shipley's donuts, like how fluffy it is. Because like Krispy Kreme or other people's donuts are like super more dense.
Krispy Kreme leaves a
film.
Yeah.
You tell me.
I want another one.
Strawberry?
Oh, okay. We're having this one.
Okay. Our first impressions, it's fucking good.
Ooh, this one's good too.
They're all good. They make like homemade good frosting.
This one reminds me of the Shipley's, like, those yeast donuts too.
What yeast donut? The cake donuts?
No.
The bread one?
No, you know Shipley's donuts, like, anytime you have, like, you get a donut, they're made out of yeast. They're yeast donuts.
Yeah.
It tastes like that.
Which is yeast and flour. It's still bread.
There's yeast donuts and there's cake donuts.
Yeah, I know. I just told you I like the blueberry cake donut.
Oh.
Aren't most donuts yeast donuts?
No.
Then what is it? Because like bagels use yeast. Don't all bread have yeast to rise?
No? I don't think so.
How's it gonna turn into bread? Well, yeah, because otherwise it would just be cake. Because like cake is just flour and like butter and.
Oh my god, I don't have napkins. Oh.
I mean flour, oil,
Here we go.
eggs. It's super pretty pink. You can't tell.
It's too bright.
Wow, that blueberry frosting and the strawberry frosting was bomb.
Okay, I now have